Welcome to my channel. How to set up your Wi-Fi extender using Mywifiext, local. First, plug in your extender. Pick a spot near your main router. Not too far, not too close. Plug it in and wait until the power light stops blinking, usually a minute or two. If it never stops, unplug, wait 10 seconds, plug it back. Connect your device. Grab a laptop or phone. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi. It'll usually be something like Netgear_ext. No password yet, or check the sticker on the device if it asks. Open the setup page. Open a browser and type Mywifiext, local in the address bar. Hit enter. You should see the extender setup page pop up. If it doesn't, make sure your device is actually connected to the extender's Wi-Fi and not your main network. Follow the setup wizard. You'll get a wizard, Netgear's usually. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Name the extender network if you want, or just stick with the default. Then hit Next, and let it do its thing. Move the extender. Once it says, All Set, or Connected, unplug it and move it to a midpoint between your router and the dead zone. Watch the signal lights, they should be green or solid, not blinking red. Red means it's too far from your router. Test it out. Connect your devices to the extender network. Walk around your home and see if the dead spots are gone. If not, tweak the location a bit. Sometimes a few feet closer to the router or higher up makes a big difference. And that's it. Done. Thanks for watching.